Hi everybody, in this video we are going to tell you how to assemble and disassemble the hard floor on Polar Bird inflatable boats. Having no comparable counterparts, our unique hard floor design provides for quick and easy assembly and disassembly of the boat. The floor is being installed into the boat when inflated, which allows to transport the boat and the floor separately. To simplify the process, we recommend to keep the front tube slightly deflated. To begin with, take the first section, which is the bow section. All the floor sections are labelled with respective numbers on their right side. Insert the bow section into the central part of the boat, with its lateral side along the lengthway axis of the boat. Rotate it by 90 degrees and move it forward to the bow as far as possible, until the keel air valve appears in the dedicated hole. Arrange the stringers along the boat, long ones to the front, short ones to the back. The stringers can also be placed in a staggered order or bought as single piece ones. Put the long stringers into the boat under its tubes. Take second floor section, lay it along the boat with its short side facing the bow. Then rotate it across the boat and insert the edges of the floorboard into the stringer slots. Move the second section forward until it stops and the sections fit together. Move the third section forward until it stops and the sections fit together. Fit the short stringers under the tube. Then insert the fourth and fifth sections in the same way as the previous ones. Finally, the stern section is to be installed. To fix the position of this segment and the entire floor, the boat transom has got a special rotating mechanism made of stainless steel. It helps the rest of the floorboards fit in place. Press the section down properly and bring the movable parts of the fixing mechanism into a horizontal position. The floor has been successfully installed. Note that after placing the last floor section, the entire floor will be pushed forward to fit in place. Finally, pump up the keel to its maximum capacity, as it has an influence on the floor rigidity as well as the overall boat performance. The boat is ready for use. Disassembly of Polar Bird hard floor. Before we start removing the floor, let us remind you that a proper care is required. Do not forget to wash the boat, dry it, clean it up and remove all kind of impurities. Also remember to wipe the floor sections after fishing and clean them from sand and mud. The Polar Bird floor is taken apart while the main tubes of the boat remain entirely inflated. You can do it even on water. So, deflate the keel by using a special valve. Slightly push the stern section, then move and bring the locks on the boat transom into an upright position. Then start removing the floor by taking out the stern part of the boat. Move the next floor section towards the stern, rotate it gradually along the boat. Afterwards, remove the remaining floor sections by taking out the short stringers followed by the long ones. The bow floor section is the last one to be removed. Just pull it towards the stern using the keel valve hole. This section is moved approximately by the middle of the boat. All you have to do is clean the floorboards from dirt. Thank you for your attention.